Our medicinal topic today is on sexual transmitted disease. What is sexual transmitted disease? And then secondly, I will describe the method for treating such kind of illness or disease, especially when it is physically disposed from the human body. And then therefore, this treatment can also be used by herbal treatment or herbal medicines. And therefore, what is sexual transmitted disease? What are the types of sexual transmitted disease? What are the signs and symptoms of sexual transmitted disease? Then when we say sexual transmitted disease, it's a condition that you can get from any kind of sexual activities. Or sexual transmitted disease is a disease in which occur as a result of exchanging body fluid between one person to another. But in a simple arithmetic, the sexual transmitted disease is a disease in which transmitted or transfer from one infected person to non-infected person. Then therefore, this sexual transmitted disease, there are some certain types of this sexual transmitted disease which are as follows. There is a Staphylococcus aureus, syphilis, gonorrhea, and Staphylococcus aureus. These are the disease under the sexual transmitted disease, but in short. And then secondly, this transmitted disease, it has some certain signs and symptoms, especially vaginal discharge, bleeding in the vagina, dysmenorrhea, painful during urination, itching of the skin, then penis discharge. And therefore, when this sexual transmitted disease were penetrated or was penetrated into the body or into the blood, then it will take up to 7 weeks before this disease it is physically dispersed from the human body, which is called the window period. And then when it is penetrated, then there are some certain issue which is called vaginal infection. This vaginal infection can be caused as a result of bacteria, fungi, parasite, and virus diseases. And then secondly, when this infection were penetrated into the body and affected the whole part of the body, especially the vagina, then there are some certain signs and symptoms such as discharging from the vagina and secondly, itching within the area of the vagina. And then secondly, as we promise, we can tell or mention the method or method for the treatment of such kind of illness. Then you have to listen to us. We can show all the types of the plan under the screen of our television. And these plans are very simple and the medicine are very simple. And these plans are as follows: ZZ pus leaf and acacia leaf and henna leaves. And when you get this leaf, you can make it into the powder. And then secondly, you can get 1 teaspoon of this leaf, then add it in the water and boil it. This one, it can be used only within the external issue. It can be used as a soap to wash within the surface of the vagina. Then the other one, you can wash at least in a day. You can wash at least 2 times in a day. For that one, which I mentioned that as external issue or external issue use. Then for the internal one, that you can take it through mouth, then you can get what we call fenugreek seed. This fenugreek seed powder, you can mix it with honey and take it at least in a day 3 times, morning, evening, and night before the bedtime or bed period. Then for those who follow us, subscribe, comment, like, share for the benefit of the people all over the world. Thank you from Waraka Islamic.